Hi guys, so good afternoon and welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite Goddess, your favorite celebrity here in the Philippines. It's May 1st, 2025, and I'm sorry for, uh, it, I wasn't here for a few weeks. My mind is not in a good condition. No, I don't have. It's the past few weeks is full of confusion, and I'm not in my right headspace. So you know what I mean. So I need to take a damn uh, time for myself. So I'm thinking a lot. I'm overthinking a lot lately. But now it has come to end, and I finally had the clarity that I need. Yan. So I'm back with you guys. How are you? Medyo matagal, no? I'm still filming even though the days are not good. But my past videos is a bit chaotic. I mean, I'm not really in myself. I don't feel me. But now I'm back with my, fiery element. So, yan. I just want to update my channel and you guys that I'm doing well. Nakakaloka guys. Nawawala yung retainer ko. yung uh, sa yung may lower for my teeth, sa baba. Don't worry about it. Nasegue ko lang. Anyways, it's 1:54 in the afternoon, and later I'm gonna film for you. I'm gonna post my past videos. Medyo hindi to basta know that it's still consecutive, but I'll be posting this first just for you to know that I'm well and I feel better na for uh I'm it's not sometimes we are um we feel that way, the days that are not so, you don't feel yourself, so you just wanted to hide in your cocoon, something like that, guys. So today's Thursday. Thursday gives me a boost of energy. That's why I'm also back. So yan. So thank God everything turns out well, even though there are minor um, uh, challenges, ano ba? Obstacles lately, and uh, I'm here to remind you that we really need to see people black and white. Like if they are for you, if they are your allies, there's only two. There's no such thing as neutral. Either you are an ally or you are an enemy. So, huwag kayo masyado mabait kasi feeling ko I'm so abused because I used to, they always abuse my kindness. But you really need, at the end of the day, um, you really need to see clarity on how people treat you. So, yun. Kakaloka, no? Anyways, yun lang naman. Ayoko na, this is like not a ranting. I just want to let you know that I'm back. And I'm going to film again our book, which is hindi pa natin natatapos, guys. Yung gusto ko na magpabili ng libro, but we haven't finished it yet. But kapit lang kasi I'm back now. So I'll be here with you again. Hopefully every day. So yun lang. So yan, natapos na yung tama ba? Semana Santa, yung Holy Week. So sana nakapag-nilay-nilay kayo. And yun. But I don't know, di ba people like treat holidays nowadays to treat themselves, di ba? But wala na talaga yung like yung noong panahon that paano ba? Yung they really take time to yung parang mag-abstain for so many things. yung like traditionally, so mas iba na kasi yung nagagawa ng social media and all. Of course, everyday, diba, we are facing our phones and it's actually, you consume a lot of toxic contents there. So I'm just here to remind you to really be careful of what you watch and what you hear. So, yun lang. So far, makakahinga na ako for the next few months kasi finally I am in control again with my life. Kasi parang naano ko, I've been persuaded many times. So, yung art of persuasion nila is like matindi. So, anyways, yun lang naman. Finally, nagkaroon na tayo ng complete clarity. So, we really need that clarity in our life. Okay, know where you stand in work, business, relationships. Diba? So, ayan, I hope all my viewers are doing well, no matter where you are in this reality, in this world, guys. So, sana in the future, I could be able to see you. If you wanted to see me, we could, have events in the future, guys. So, wag ngayon, lahat tayo busy. Busy pa tayo. So, sana, yun pa, may mga nangyari for the past few days, like, there are, di ba, sinasabi ko na sa inyo na ang daming suicidal na tao. Like, you may think na ang dami mo ng problema. For example, financially speaking. Diba, it's a typical problem of every one of us. Diba? Kasi we pay bills, diba? Normally, it's like that. But, when you come to think of it, marami pa talagang tao which are in deep sufferings because they don't have the means. First of all, they don't have the means to make money or to generate a certain amount of money or to gain opportunities, diba? And yung worst cases pa doon, I've experienced is sa family, there may mga may sakit. So, yun yung it's a type of burden that sometimes you can't get away with, especially if kunyari may autism yung bata and you don't have the means, diba, to take care of it. So, yung ganun. So, ang daming nagiging root cause why a certain family unit is not successful. But, of course, lahat ng viewers ko, I still wish and I pray for your sanity. Siyempre, yung physical health natin and mental health is so important. So, make sure na hindi naman perfect balance, but, to navigate your circumstances well. And, huwag kayo susuko. Alam mo, kagabi guys, may pinik up pa kaming, she's not really my close friends, but, sobrang ako dun. Parang naawa ako sa mga ganong cases. Yun nga, yung mga suicidal na tao. So, pinuntahan pa namin and nagkanda ano-ano pa kami. Nagkanda-kanda, wala-wala. Kasi may hinahabol kaming tao. So, sobrang late na ako na din nakauwi. But, everything went well naman. So, I'm still grateful. And, yun. One thing, kapag hindi nyo kayang i-appreciate yung tao or, kapag wala naman kayong magandang sasabihin, you better shut your mouth na. Especially kapag alam nyo yung kausap nyo, hindi naman, alam nyo yung emotional capacity or yung emotional, paano ba? Hindi ko maano yung term. Basta yon, hindi masyadong matatag or malakas or stable. Diba? Huwag nyo na masyadong grabe yung pagsasalita. Kasi kagabi, ang haba ng siguro nakikinig ako ng rant for 4 long hours. Ganon. Hindi siya, guys, typical. Actually, rant siya talaga. Dapat, hindi typical na ano. Rant pala siya talaga. So, parang naglalabas siya ng, sama ng loob. So, imagine, parang feeling ko naging counselor na ako. Apat kami doon na nakikinig. So, sa kanya, apat kami nakikinig. So, gusto lang namin that, malabas niya yung sama ng loob para hindi it will cause you a lot of sickness kapag you bottled up all your emotions. Kailangan may someone or some people ka that you trust that is, when you say something, they are comfortable listening. I mean, they are comfortable sharing their stories. Okay, so sometimes hindi mo naman kailangan magbigay ng advice. You just need to listen to them and they will feel better. So ako usually hindi naman ako nagsasalita. Not unless it's necessary. And I only say, the right words. Kasi, di ba, sinasabi ko na sa'yo, even before, there are thousands, hundreds of people that are sharing their stories, their life, even though hindi naman kami close. Anyways, haba na itong usapan natin. But, I will talk to you again, guys. So, I will see you later pag medyo nakapag-tidy up na ako dito. So, congratulations for finding my channel. So, for reaching me, for watching me, for everything, guys. So, ayan. Thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. Sinulit ko na ba? Anyways, guys, yan na. So, mag-rest na kasi sa mga hardworking people like us, take time for, magkaroon ka ng me time. See ya!